All right, boys and girls, what is up? What is going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hit like on the way in. Facts. Everybody hit a like. Everybody hit the like, bro. See the F50 pick I posted? No, where? Did you post in the Discord, Zonda? Let me see. Then post it again, or like tag the message. I must have missed it. Send it one more time. Can I get an entry from that gap? You could, yeah, you could. It's possible. So I'll tell you guys why I entered this trade. I got in because of this hourly fair value gap here, and then the 5-minute change in state of delivery to the upside. That's it. Very simple. I've shown you guys this entry model time and time again. So it's the same exact thing. And then now we just went and hit this 15-minute. So it could bounce off this 15-minute. What 15-minute aligns with 1 minute. So 15 to 1 change in state could happen here. And then that would give like an additional entry. I'm not going to get any more than what I'm in already. My stop is break even. Like this trade is free for me. So it's whatever. But yeah, you could get an additional entry at this fair value gap if you wanted to. Yeah, absolutely. Yep. The distance and cash amount, you have to go to the top left. You're going to see like a plus sign on the top left on Tradeovate that says add modules. Click add modules and then click the accounts, and then it'll be in there. What the hell, bro? That's crazy. Yeah, that's fucking, that's wild. The fact that that's just on an open trailer is wild, bro. Was good, bro. I'll look for shorts if we inverse this 15-minute, yeah. But for now, I'm in the long, and I have my break-even stop set, so I'm, you know, it's whatever for me. It's free. But I'll go. I'll look for shorts if we inverse this 15. That's when I'll start looking for shorts. What other entry can we take? I would wait. I would wait for now, unless you want to take a 1-minute change in state here off of the 15-minute bullish gap. I would wait a little bit, kind of let this thing at least close this 15-minute. The shorts you posted today are fire. Thanks, bro. I really appreciate that, Div. Thank you, bro. I was proud of them. Yeah. Hell yeah. I know, bro. That 113. That 113 put in that pain. 113 put in that pain. 113 put in that pain twice because this was 113 as well. No rejection. How'd you lose 800 on that one, Lucid? This is a new one. So remember, I only had 4. I added a 5th one today, like right before market close, and I was just trying to like quickly make $1,500 on it, and I was unsuccessful. So yeah, this is a fresh one that I just added today. These other 4 are the ones from yesterday, and like these are up because of this morning. So yeah, these only need $1,500 more. These are passed. This one needs a little bit more than that. Yeah, so I was absolutely in favor of a move lower. That's what I wanted initially. Let me just make that very clear. I initially wanted to move lower because this open, you guys see what's right below the open? We have fair value gap, right? Fair value gap, hourly fair value gap and whatnot. So that's what I was initially expecting us to go into, and you know, then maybe like get a bounce out of that 4-hour fair value gap or 1-hour fair value gap, and then starts to look really nice. But we got the change in state here, like actionable setup to the upside. So I was like, whatever, I'll take it, because the PO3, like especially higher time frame, daily PO3, 4-hour PO3 has been trash, like really, really bad. So I was like, you know what? Good chance that this doesn't manipulate lows and just pushes higher. And so I was playing into that for these longs. So, damn. So we'll see. We'll see what it does. Damn, bro. Hold on. Let me clear my throat. Okay. Apex legacy accounts can still move you to a live account after 6 payout. No. Those rules do not apply to the legacy account. We're at 17.5 for 5 more. Yeah, we need 500 more subs, bro. We'll do a what's it called? We'll do a giveaway for 10 Tradeify accounts, bro. 10 Tradeify accounts at 18k subs. Price will be respecting the 15-minute FVG from 10 a.m. Apex? I'll give away some Apexes too. I have Apexes to give away. Don't worry, bro. We'll give away all. Like, we'll give away a bunch of different things. It's not... I'm not just limiting it just to Tradeify. It'll be Apex, Tradeify, whatever other firm gives me codes for you guys, I'll give away. I might just close this early before it even hits break even, because it looks like it might just want to inverse this 15-minute gap. And if it inverses that, then it starts to look very nice for a move lower. I'll watch 5-minute actually. We'll watch the 5-minute. See what the 5-minute does. Looking to open a TBT account. Do you recommend it over Tradeify or Apex? It depends on your trading style. I'll be honest with you. I think TPT is an amazing firm. But I think Apex and Tradeify also have their own perks. TPT, you just don't really have any rules. The only downside to TPT is 5 days to pass. So, you know, as soon as you're past those 5 days to pass, you could do whatever the hell you want. And if you go to Tradeify or Apex, you know, the rules are a little bit different. Apex, 1 day pass, but the payout, actually now the payout rules are not that difficult. But it's not daily payouts, you know? Does Alpha give you free codes? Alpha does not give me free codes. So far, the only firms that have given me free codes to give away is Apex, Tradeify. That's it. Just Apex and Tradeify. I'm going to ask Lucid for some free codes, but you guys got to use code key first so they like see that it's worth giving you guys codes. The only reason why Tradeify and Apex give me a bunch of codes is because you guys use code key on it. So it makes sense for them to like, you know, just give me free codes for my audience. Got 2 TPT with your code right now. W, let's go. TPT is great. I don't mind 5 days. I'll use code key probably tomorrow or Monday. Yeah, nice. Yeah, if you don't mind 5-day pass, then TPT is great. I just wanted to say that I've been watching your bootcamp. The charts are looking clearer already. You teach every concept in a way that's very easy to understand. Big fan, bro. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. That's the goal. I try to make things very, very easy for you guys to understand, man. 9. Let's go, bro. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't gotten these funded yet. I probably will either tonight or tomorrow, but I'm already a pretty big fan of Lucid Flex. Flex specifically. I'm a pretty big fan of just like overall rules. The evals, like, I mean, it's very simple. Like it is very, very simple. The payout rules on Lucid Flex. Not bad at all. I'm a fan, bro. Bought 2 50K flexes with Koki on Lucid. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, guys, we have non-farm happening tomorrow. So tomorrow morning is non-farm. So I'm not expecting like crazy movement here for this session. So but we do have the non-farm happening tomorrow morning. So if you guys want to do 1-day passes, then lock in with the firms that allow 1-day passes, which is going to be Apex, I think. And you can also trade news on Lucid as well, so that's a good thing. Second trade on 2 Lucid funded. When I get a payout with them, we'll use your code. Nice. Yeah, I just got the code with Lucid recently, so. Yeah, yo, 9, actually, let me know how you like TradeC. Actually, for all of you guys who use the TradeC thing, how do you guys like it compared to trading on TradingView? Is it like better, worse, like any issues with it or no? Yep, Alpha Zero does do it as well. Does Apex method still work? What's the, oh, like for the codes? I read out a message that they sent to me and they were not happy, so I'm gonna say no. TradeC's trash, lags. Terrible fills, mad slippage. Damn, I don't know if I want to use it then. Please tell me the TP on this. Bro, chill. It hasn't even, it's not even up at the top yet. It's not even close to the TP right now. Like, I'm considering closing this in profit. So, just hang on. I'll let you know in a little bit. Curious, I want to ask, knowing you come from an options background, why do you prefer traditional TA compared to trading gamma exposure level / order flow? Well, order flow I never really like wanted to get into because fuck, logging out, man. I had some friends that were trading order flow and they just weren't able to make it work. I switched them over to like what I do, and they found profitability almost instantly. So that like kind of put a bad taste in my mouth on order flow. And obviously, like, you know, maybe they were just stupid, but I don't know, man. I try to keep my trading like as very, very simple. You know, I try not to do too much. Now, there's if you guys are in the premium Discord, we have Arthurus Art that's in the premium Discord. And he's goated and he uses gamma exposure levels. And a lot of times his gamma exposure levels line up with my levels that I have. So it's like, you know, I indirectly end up using gamma exposure anyway, even when I don't intend to. So, you know. Yeah, so I don't have to like actually go looking for those gamma exposure levels. Art puts his gamma exposure levels in the Discord every single day. Bullish, bearish, gamma exposure levels on his everything. He's the GOAT for that. So, you know, I get to see all those and line them up with my levels, and it ends up working. Can you teach how to pass accounts in a day? Yeah, bro. I'm actually in the middle of creating a whole video on that, but I'll give you guys actually, bro, I did a video in the fucking Discord. I made a video in the premium Discord on one day passing. If you guys are in the premium Discord and you go to the announcements channel, I'm re-tagging it right now. All right, I just re-tagged it. That's the video that I made. I made a whole video on doing one day passes, okay? There is a bunch of indicators too. Yeah, there's a bunch of indicators as well. Why is Lucid Flex better than the others? The payout rules are really easy, bro. Payout rules are super simple. So I was a fan of it immediately. Guys, we might get a 1 minute change in state of delivery here coming out of this 15-minute gap now. This will be the 1 minute change in state if we can close above. Okay, no closure yet. No closure yet. No closure yet. Will Rodriguez is back, bro. Mysterious ad, dude. Speaking of videos, yeah, Scott. Did you see? No, Scott, what's the name of the YouTube channel? Tell me the name of the YouTube channel. Or Scott, you're in the Discord, so link it in the Discord actually. And I'll take a look at it. Dennis, what's up, brother? What's up? What's up? Lucid is scam or what, bro? What? Why would Lucid be a scam? Just got my target on Lucid Black, still not eligible for payout. I don't know, like look at their dashboard and make sure you meet all the requirements. If you do, then probably just wait a little bit. Salam, bro. I'm good, man. Why is going live bad with Lucid if they allow 5 live accounts? It's not. Anybody that allows 5 live accounts, like TPT, for example, it's not bad. TPT, in my opinion, though, best firm to go live with. For sure, the best firm to go live with. Seems easy, but I bet I'm doing something wrong, so it shouldn't be easy, right? It is easy. People make it complicated. It is easy. Genuinely, it is easy. One day pass key up on stream at 8. I might. Just passed TPT today, waiting on an email from them. If you pass it in the New York session, you should get an email around midnight. Okay, looks like we are unable to trade higher. So this, I might end up closing this out in profit here. On what channel? Scott, put it in the Cobra's Den channel. Put it in the Cobra's Den channel. I hate TBT don't have real-time updates. I know. That is kind of annoying. It is a little bit annoying for sure. Could you do like a little crash course? Bro, I have a 30-day mini crash course on my YouTube. Go to playlists and there's a whole 30-day crash course. Should you leave a trade open overnight? You can. You can. Who's talking, bro? In this song. This guy's got like somebody talking in the background. Anyways, what was the question? Should you leave a trade open overnight? Okay. There's only one way that I would leave a trade open overnight, okay? Because this can mess you up a lot. It has messed me up too. The only way is if you send the order in as a bracket order, okay? So if I'm trying to short, I short it like right here and stop loss wherever, whatever, TP wherever, whatever. And I right click, create limit order, and then I place my bracket order like this. This way, what happens if you place a bracket order, what'll happen is if the stop loss gets hit, the TP automatically cancels. If the TP gets hit, the stop loss automatically cancels. If you send an order like this, right, where it's not a bracket order, and one of these, if the stop loss gets hit, the TP is not going to remove. And I'm sure some of you guys have probably gotten screwed over with that. I personally have. So that's why I just stay away from doing overnight unless I'm either A, able to monitor it. Here, guys, I'm just going to close this trade out before it hits stop loss because it looks like it will. And then we'll try to frame out a short position here from this 15-minute inverse gap. I think this 15-minute inverse looks pretty good for this 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. to manipulate into. So we'll frame that out. We'll be waiting for the next 5 minutes to take a trade. CPI, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow, guys, tomorrow is the non-farm. Tomorrow's non-farm employment. CPI is next week, yes. Yeah, start the crash course, bro. Trade C has it all removed. That's so nice about it. It allows free trade copying. Yeah, but some people are saying bad things about trade copying or trade C. So, I don't know. Bro, where's Scott Taylor? I'm waiting for the channel, bro, Scott. Where's it at? I'm not going to be able to find it by looking it up because... Yeah, this dude's got a goddamn MLK speech in the background, bro. Like, what are we doing? Yep. Okay. Yep. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Oh, there we go. I see it. I see it. All right, Scott, I'm going to watch some of these. I'll watch these later. What's the method for tomorrow? I put it in the free Discord, bro. I put it in the announcement section of the free Discord. No, I'm gonna give away some accounts tonight. I'll give you guys some accounts tonight. Did Rahul tell you what I did today for the first time? No, I have no idea. All right, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. As long as we could close under, inverse this 15-minute fully, we can totally use that for the next hourly open. Same as the CPI, yeah. Oh, no. Still trading the old. I'm still trading the old ones. Once I get a payout on them. So goal is to just get the first payout 40K. And then as soon as we get a 2K per, we will switch to the new accounts. I passed an account on one of the ones you gave away in school. W, bro. Let's go, Shane. Fire. I think a 2K drawdown now instead of 2.5. It's not that big of a deal. Not the end of the world, bro. It's not make or break. Manually close. Don't manually. You do it. You're gonna have to do a regular TP. Don't do it manually. If I was you, I would send the trade in through just Trade-Evate, because the fills will be a lot better. Fills are going to be way better there, bro. Rather than TradingView. Will be live on YouTube tomorrow? Yeah. I'm not watching gold. I'm about to potentially going to trade here on IQ, so I'm not watching gold yet. Oh, for NFP, will I be live? Maybe. I'll see. I'm gonna have to really give that one some thought. I don't know yet. $30 seconds here until 10 p.m. opens up. 10 p.m. I'm going to manipulate to this inverse gap. The inverse gap right here. Which trade copier do you use? I use Tradecopia, bro. Tradecopia is what I use. Okay, so... yeah, this is... I mean, it's looking pretty good. That's probably what the trade would look like right there. Boom. I'm gonna enter this soon here, guys. Fuck it, I'm taking it. I took it. I took it. I took it. We have to move this a little bit higher. Okay, there it is. There's the inverse. Four-hour opened up, no lower manipulation leg. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I like it. I like it. I'm a fan. Minute. For an actual confirmation entry, we would be waiting for a 1 minute change in state lower now out of this 15-minute inverse fair value gap. There we go. Target PDL? No. For now, my target is just like right here. This is the 1 hour fair value gap. So like basically the start of the 1 hour fair value gap. Ooh, this is one thing to watch here as well. Watch this. Wick CE 25093. 25093. Watch that. Boom. Yep, 25093. One to watch. For show. I'm gonna add. I might add total 5, so I might add 2 more here. Background color, I believe it's 808080. Yeah, right here. It is. Yep, 808080. So we know this 4-hour has to come lower at some point. You know, 100% has to come lower at some point. You just gotta be a little patient and it'll play out. Shouldn't it sweep the highs first? It doesn't have to. Not necessarily. We just know, I can tell you for a fact this 4-hour is going to go lower at some point. 100% going to go lower. It's just a matter of like where from. And this is a pretty nice range to short, being that we're near the highs here. We're up at the top of this daily candle currently. So somebody said pinky promise. Bro, pinky promise this 4 hours is going to go lower. 100% is going to go lower. We just hit that Wick CE. This is the 1 hour Wick CE right here. 1 hour Wick CE. I'll wait to add anything. I'll wait a little bit. Just watch. Just so I'm not like over leveraged. Just in case it does want to go through these highs and then like get another setup lower. I don't really have anything up here aside from this daily Wick CE, which is where I wanted the longs to go to. That's 100 points. So, yeah, we'll see. I don't expect like the range to be huge tonight just because of the non-farm tomorrow morning at 8:30. So just because we have non-farm 8:30, I don't think we see like a massive range. It'll probably be a smaller range for sure. So even Asia lows, like from this trade, even Asia lows would be pretty, like that would be a win. I'd be fine with just seeing Asia lows on this. When are you doing the giveaway? In a little bit. Once this trade goes green. How to exit trades and where to exit them. It depends. If you are trading a move from inside of the range to outside of the range, then you're targeting lows. If you're trading a move from outside of the range, then you're targeting something inside, right? Good example of that. This trade right here, we're taking our trade from inside of the range, right? So the target is going to be outside of the range. So it's going to be a low, a high or a low. The trade that we took this morning, you guys remember the trade, the first trade that we took this morning for New York? That trade we traded from outside of the range to inside. So where did I TP on that trade? I TP'd at a 15-minute fair value gap, right? So as opposed to this trade, I don't really give a shit about a 15-minute fair value gap. We have a 15-minute gap right here. I don't give a shit about it. You know, we're gonna go through it. If it continues, like if this actually plays out, it's gonna go through this 15-minute gap. Trading eval or funded? I'm on evals, bro. These are Lucid Flex evals. Lucid Flex evals. Tomorrow, I'll probably trade the Apexes again. I'm thinking. Lucid checkout is down. It'd be doing that sometimes. That's what happened to me, bro. That's why it didn't let me buy 5. It only let me buy 4. I would just like fully close out of it, wait a little bit, go back in, and it should let you. Why is size so light on evals? Because I don't like price action this week, so I just size down a lot, whether it's evals or not. No point in losing money even if it's on an eval, right? I'm just not. I just haven't been a fan of PA this week. Today was my first green day this week, bro. First green day this week was today. But it made up for the entire like week of losses, right? Had I taken that on fundeds, it would have made up for the entire week of losses. So, yeah. Which evals you give now? I'll give away some Apexes and I'll give away some Tradeifys. You guys got to get me to 18k subs though. 18k subs, bro. We're only 500 subs away. 18k subs, and I'll give away a bunch of accounts. And remember, at 20k subs, I have to give away 100 accounts on stream. That's gonna be some crazy shit. I'm not gonna lie. But these last 2 weeks have been shit. I didn't get to trade last week, thankfully. But I'm hearing I didn't miss out on much. But yeah, this week has been really ass. Really, really ass. Today was the only good day this week. Which trade accounts do you give away? 50k selects. Can you answer my question? What did you ask? Why do you think trading will be better for those in trading view? It's just faster. Why do you think I shouldn't close the trade manually? Because if you close it manually, there's a good chance you get slipped. If you have like a hard TP set, lower chance of getting slipped, even though you still might get slipped. It's CPI, but lower chance. 50k selects, bro, for Tradeify. And then the Apex accounts are any size, whichever ones you guys want. This is just like hanging in this area. It's not really doing shit. This is the 1 hour RIXC. It's just kind of chilling here. It's not doing much. I guess we're waiting. I'm not adding any more to this trade. Not for now, at least. Once we get a 1 minute change in state lower, which will be right here, I'll add 2 more cons and then move the stop loss to the high. But yeah, for now, I'm not adding anything. I'll just watch this thing. Short's definitely the move. Yeah, this 4 hour is gonna go lower, bro. Like this 4 hour for sure goes lower, without a doubt in my mind. That 4 hour is gonna go lower. 100, like 100% it goes. Since February, price action hasn't been the best. Stupid range, bro. Look at the daily. Look at this. Do you guys see this daily? You see how disgusting this is? This is just foul. It is literally foul, bro. Will the truth? No, it's just like I'm just gonna give away the codes here. It's just whoever gets them. It's not to any specific people. I would still set a hard TP, bro. I wouldn't do manual, to be honest with you. I just told you Apex is any size, any kind of account you want. Just some of you guys gotta listen. Instead of like being so trigger happy to go on your fucking keyboard and type in all caps, just listen. Do you make more money from trading or teaching? There was 1 year in my career. So I've been trading. This is now 7 years. 7 years this November. 2022 was the only year where I made less money trading and more money teaching. And even then, it wasn't that much because I was considering getting a job 2022. So, yeah. Ever since 2022, I make a lot, bro. People would be surprised to know, like, what I'm not gonna say the numbers, but I don't make that much teaching, bro, and not as much as some of these other guys do, bro. I really don't. I don't like have like a, you know, insane marketing approach to my Discord. You know, majority of the stuff that I do is for free. It's right here. You know what I'm saying? 2 streams a day. I hold your guys' hands through 2 sessions every day. The Discord is just like, I have extra information there and they get extra stuff. If you feel like joining, join, right? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not, you know, it's not anything, anything crazy, bro. Why don't you do one-on-ones? I don't know, man. See, the thing with, bro, the thing with like one-on-ones and like, okay, here's my issue with like having a service separate from my Discord. Anybody that is either in my Discord or knows anything about my Discord can pretty much tell you that there's always been a shit ton of value that I provide in the Discord. So to me, when I'm thinking about starting a service aside from that, right? If I'm thinking about doing a mentorship or if I'm thinking about doing one-on-ones, I need to think about what more can I provide? Because I'm not going to charge more money and then have like the same value. Because at that point, just go get the Discord. Like I feel like that's scummy. So when I had a mentorship, it was like I was giving, I had extra courses in there. You know, I was giving one-on-ones and all that. And to me, I still felt like I wasn't doing enough. And so that's why I kind of just like shut it down. I just felt like I wasn't doing enough, bro. You know, maybe if I can figure out like a way to really give more value than what's already provided in the Discord, that could be something I would consider. But for now, dude, I don't, you know, for now I'm happy with the way it's at. We might get 1 minute change in state of delivery right here, guys. You can no longer pass eval in a single trade with Apex. Pretty sure you can. Okay, there's the change in state there. I'll add, yeah, I'll add like I'll add 2 more. So make it 5. And then I will move my stop loss to that high right there. So I think risk is still about the same. Total risk is still about the same. Yeah, total risk is still about the same here. Yeah. We'll see what this does. See how it goes. If you can't, like, you know, bear the risk here or whatever, if you're on fundeds and you want to de-risk, then don't size into this. Just keep it on 3 micros. The only reason I'm sizing in at all in the first place is because I'm on evals and not my fundeds. If I was on my fundeds, I would just stick to the 3 micros, original 3 micros. I'd just hold those. This 1 hour, bro. 1 hour looks like shit. 1 hour has to go lower, man. 4 hour also. Like 4 hour looks like pure garbage. Higher time frame looks good for a move lower. So as long as the lower time frame can, you know, hold true to that, it should be fine. Shouldn't have any issues here. But it is going to be slow. I'll tell you guys right now, this is going to be slow. I don't expect it to move a lot. Because the 8:30 news tomorrow. Can I learn from you in person like Big Char? No, bro. Pass my account. Ow. I was red that whole time, but nice. Congrats, bro. W. What is Big Char doing? Dude, I don't know what that guy's doing, bro. He just came back from Europe. Like, he moves around like a billionaire, bro. I swear to God. I don't know what he does. He deadass moves around like a billionaire. How often do you get a payout? I mean, usually whenever I request it, at this point now, I usually request payouts like once a month. Because I prefer to build like a bit of a buffer before I request payout instead of just going for like the minimum payout. So once a month usually. Like, what's the most recent one? The most recent one I think was Blue Guardian. I think. Let me see. Yeah, most recent one was Blue Guardian towards like the end of last month. So this month, goal is just to get the 40 on Apex. These Lucids will just kind of follow because they're being trade copied or copy traded. Just had trade copied. So 40 on Apex. These Lucids, 2K each. So 10 there. Solid. Solid. Lucid Flex you cannot pass in one day. 50% consistency. How do you add more contracts? Right up here, you see how it says like quantity? So if you're in 5 or whatever, and you want to add like one more, you just change the quantity to 1 and then you hit buy or sell. That's it. Very simple. How is 15-minute CISD relevant on a mitigated 15-minute FVG? It's not a mitigated 15-minute FVG. It is a IFVG. It is a 15-minute inverse gap. So it's the CISD, the bearish CISD off the inverse fair value gap. Not the bullish, bearish. How good is Blue Guardian? I like Blue Guardian, bro. I like Blue Guardian. It's not bad. Which is the easiest firm to go get a payout? Lucid Flex, probably. Alpha, like zeros, or even the alpha standards, pretty easy. Apex now, very easy. TPT is one of the real easy ones, but yeah, those are like the big ones that are super easy. Lucid side crash, did it? For Lucid Flex. Yo, Fiona Shukor, bro. You came in here yesterday yapping about the same shit. You're just blabbing your mouth about the same shit. I'm pretty sure everybody is well aware of how that works, right? Everybody here has used Top Step. We know you can only withdraw 50% of the balance. I don't know why you're crying. It's like, don't use it if you don't like it. Bro's been like, he's number one in chat because he's complaining about Lucid Flex, bro. Like, calm down. Don't use it. Phaseroo, bro. What's good, bro? Phaseroo. I'm not trading New York. Yeah, I am. I am gonna be trading New York Open. New York has been good. Well, today was at least. I'm not gonna say has been good, but today it was pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna be trading New York tomorrow too. Yeah. Tory trades tan lines is this guy's name. Nice. Making a trade just off the IVG is the higher time frame point of interest. Higher time frame point of interest is the 4-hour PO3. So it's not just the 15-minute IVG. We have the 4-hour candle here that needs to manipulate lower. Is Scarface trades legit? Nur accused him. Nur accuses everybody, but yeah, I do think he's legit. I think Scarface is legit. I mean, he debunked that whole thing that happened where he was like apparently caught photoshopping broker statements or whatever, but he debunked it. So he did like a whole live login, like, you know. So I don't know who Aval is. No fucking clue who that is, bruv. Oh shit, wait, I do have to. Yo, shout out to you who reminded me, bro. W. Wait, I need to set this to 5. Right there. Yeah, shout out to you for reminding me, right? I completely fucking forgot. Yes, I'm giving away codes, bro. Stop begging. Stop begging Truk Tran JZ10W. Right back at the CE so far on this trade. I don't really want to give this the room to go all the way up there because at that point it might just sweep and then come down. So if this stops me out on this one, I'll just take the stop out and I'll look for maybe another entry up here. But I'm not very like adamant on trying to like continue trading here tonight with non-farm tomorrow. So only good setups. And I think the only next good setup will be up here if this one doesn't work. This is a really good setup here, but if this one doesn't want to work, then up here at 125, 123, we can get another setup after the sweep, and then we can maybe trade that. You know, you can tell, bro, yo, stop spamming, you fucking idiot. Now you're getting muted for 30 minutes because you just pissed me off. All right, so... What was I going to say? This dumbass made me lose my train of thought. Normally, okay, so this is what I was going to say. You could tell, like, maybe not just the market, maybe the algorithm, right? Whatever you want to call it. But clearly, things are changing because in any other kind of Asia session, in any other kind of market, like, let's say if we go back a month ago, this setup would have already played out. Like, this is a really good setup, bro. This shit would have already played out. It wouldn't have taken this long. But clearly, you know, things are changing here. Market is bullshit, you know, so that's why this trade has not played out yet. But you guys are going to start to see that, bro. Slowly, you guys are going to start to see. I'm telling you, just keep in mind, like the setups that used to play out a month ago, 2 months ago. If you're somebody who journals, go back and look at those same exact setups that used to work a month or 2 months ago. I guarantee you those same setups, they don't work as well in this market anymore. And that's why being able to adapt is so fucking important, because if you can't, then you're going to get absolutely demolished by the market. What is the adaptation that you can make? Well, the first thing that you do before anything else, the first thing, number one, what is the first thing that I've done here? I size down. I literally do not go above 5 micros anymore. There was a point in time where I was taking 5 minis on my 50K accounts. I was taking 5 minis on them. 5 micros is what I use now. So 3 to 5 micros total. I have like almost no risk on the table. So it allows me to figure things out slowly, right? I mean, bro, you guys were clear witnesses this morning, right? I have taken losses all week. All week long. We were down $800 total. I took 2 trades this morning. We're up 1,500. 2 trades this morning, we're up 1,500, right? So, you know, as long as you manage your risk properly, you'll be all right. You'll be all right, bro. Promise you, you'll be okay. No, I don't journal all my trades anymore. I'll journal sometimes. Occasionally, I'll journal for sure. First time here and trading Asia. Lots of BE so far. I mean, you picked like kind of the worst market to trade Asia. Also, you picked the worst day to trade Asia because we have NFP tomorrow. So, yeah. New York has been a little bit better this week, though. Since liquidity shit and PA shit, the setup's going to play out. Might take a few days to make any within this 4 hours. Same Bitcoin. I'm aware what my buy limit is, guys. I'm well aware, bro. Do not worry. Do not worry, okay? Have no fear. I know what I'm doing. Calm down. Because I'm trying to buy 2 here. So, this is my partial, and then full trade goes there. Will Rodriguez is not only geek, but he is freaked out. What's Will Rodriguez saying? How can I learn the strategy you're using right now? The strategy I'm using right now, I have 2 whole videos on it. I have 2 whole YouTube videos on it. One of them is like, this is the only ICT model you'll ever need. Something like that. And then the other one is like somewhat similar to that. One of my mods, if you guys can link those videos, it's the only ICT model you'll need to be profitable or something like that. Just link that video. My 7. Oh yeah, my 7-figure. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Is it this one? No. Yo, Z bro. What are you doing? That's the SMT video. There you go. Only model you need, and then the 7-figure model. Same. The video discusses the same model. 2 different videos discussing the same model. Slow market vibes? Yeah, bro. Definitely slow market vibes. Can I be mod key? I only show up like once a month, though. I'm NGL. Hell no, bro. I need some more active mods, bro. I need active mods. I need active moderators. Me, pal. Sushi. No, I know you are. I know you are. Blasky's never here. Blasky, I should honestly just demote you from mod at this point. Crystal, yeah, Crystal. Actually, I'll give Crystal mod because she is actually here every single day. Like, no bullshit, is here every day. All right, there you go. I will make you a moderator. Congratulations. Welcome to my elite. You're now my elite employee. Congratulations. Who else? Who else? I think that's good. I think that's good for now. I think we leave it at that for now. Fiona Shakur, I am not making you a damn mod. You were just crying. I am not making you no damn mod. Dr. Z. Yeah, actually, Dr. Z is here every day too. Not gonna lie, Dr. Z is here every day too. I'll give Dr. Z mod. Yo, I see him trying to delete, bro. Trying to delete the messages, a little sneaky fellow. You little sneaky guy, aren't you? Don't worry, you're not getting replaced, bro. We just, we gotta keep up with the chat. I gotta gatekeep. All right. My hiring is over. Hiring is over. Mods are full for now. I'll let you guys know whenever we're rehiring mods. For now, mods are full. I found you last week and jumped to paid user. Hopefully my investment is on the right path. I would say that it is. Just dump already? I know. This is just very slow. It's slow, but I expect it to be slow. You know? How much does it pay? We pay like 180K a year. 180K a year for the mods. On a lighter note, I once taught my landlord to day trade. Now we're both renting. That's funny. It's funny, actually. Free healthcare? Oh, man. Imagine. Is there a way to bracket order on Tradeovate? I know there is, but I don't know how. Does anybody know how to send bracket orders on Tradeovate? I know there is, but I don't use Tradeovate to send the orders, so I'm not 100% sure, bro. I'm not too sure about that one. OCO? Yeah, I just don't know how to set it up. Yo, who asked that question, actually? OR Trades. Yeah, OR Trades. I'm pretty sure you can ATM. I'm sure you can, there's definitely like YouTube videos on it or something. Settings, ATM. Okay. You could figure it out. I'm sure you figure it out. You can't copy trade in Tradeovate and use the ATM? That's kind of... Yeah, that's kind of ass. Do you see any drawbacks of Take Profit Trader? The only drawback would be that the eval is 5-day minimum to pass. So that's a full week. That's it. That's the only drawback. Other than that, TPT is one of the best firms, for sure, without a doubt. I mean, 100% the easiest firm to get a payout from. Fastest payout, no cap, easy, like, you know, same day. It's great. TPT is amazing. Lucid is also great. You know, just started using Lucid. Lucid has been great. All the ones that I use are great, bro. I don't use any shit firms. I wouldn't be partnered with any if they were shit. But you guys know, like, if I partner up with a firm, I use them before I do that to identify for myself if they're good or not. It doesn't have a 10K a day cap. It's just that's when they move you to live. Yeah, bro. Can you guys like up the goddamn stream, bro? 186 likes. You guys should be ashamed of yourselves, bro. I really should just stream in the Discord, bro. Like, no bullshit. If we're only getting 186 likes per stream with 900 people in here. Like, if this trade goes green, bro. I mean, the trade is green right now. But if this hits TP and you guys are not liking up the stream, bro, I don't think I'm going to be live tomorrow, man. I think I'll have to take the day off and just go live in the Discord so we can bank in them there. Come on, buddies. How's Ramadan treating you? Pretty good, bro. It's not bad. It's not bad. I can't watch Discord at work? Wait, why not? Why can't you? On Apex 50K account... I know there's 30% rule on how much you can make in a day. Is there a point that goes away if you're up 10K on PA? I'm assuming you're talking about consistency. Are you talking about consistency? And the new ones, it's not 30% anymore. If you're talking about MAE, the new ones, it's completely gone. And if you're talking about consistency, it's 50% now, not 30%. But yeah, you have to keep up with consistency. Yes. Why can't I see my live P&L with Tradecopia? I don't know. I was trying to see that, and it's not showing me either. I think maybe something's wrong with it. I can't see my live P&L with it either right now. I don't know why. Might be something wrong with the damn thingy. I'm not sure. Buffer rule? What buffer rule? Buffer goes away. Like, once you're past the buffer, it's gone. Try Tradecopia. I'm not sure if I'm setting it wrong. It's not working right for me. Any other copies you recommend? How are you setting it up? Only other copier that I know of is either TradeSyncer or the ones that you can use on like Trade-Evate. Yes, a bracket order does copy. A bracket order does copy, yes, if you're using a trade copier. Key, bro, I took your signal just now and blew my account. I had like 50 bucks in DD. Okay, so who the fuck's fault is that, bro? Like, I'm break even. This guy, bro. $50 GD should, yeah, honestly, if you have that low drawdown, you should just wait for non-farmer CPI and just full port that. You're only allowed to request $500 from the buffer, though. For the legacy ones. The new ones is the same thing. I don't know if I'll be live for NFP yet. I'm not sure. You guys are just going to have to subscribe and turn on your notifications to see if I'm going to be live or not. But, yeah, if I go live, it'll be like probably like a last-minute decision. I'm not sure. Just like, subscribe, turn on noties. And then you know exactly when I go live. Every day of the week. Yeah, daily looks disgusting. I don't think NFP will clear it. I think CPI will. But yeah, I do think the daily looks nasty, bro. I full ported this morning, passed in 20 seconds. I know this morning was amazing, bro. This morning was fire. How many withdrawals are you permitted on Apex legacy accounts? The legacy one's unlimited. You can withdraw however many times you want. Thanks for everything you've done for the LGBTQ community. Truly an inspiration. Okay. All right. Why do you know why many firm allows trading SI, not SIL? I don't know, dude. I don't know. I stayed away from the whole silver craze, so I don't know. What's this chop? Bro, I told you NFP tomorrow. Or NFE. Non-farm tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna chop, bro. It's not gonna be clean in here. We went from green all the way back up to retest this fucking Wixie again, man. Like at some point, it's gonna start to look better to just take out my damn stop loss and then go a little bit higher, get a setup from there. So at this point, bro, like either just put me out my misery or just take me to TP. Like do one or the other. Now, all jokes aside, though, it's going to be very slow. Like, expect this to be slow tonight. Don't expect, like, a fast move, a great move, crazy, amazing move. Like, you know? Where the hell's the bottom wick of the 4-hour candle? There is none. That's why we are short. Literally the whole reason for the short is because there's no bottom wick on this 4-hour. So we know at some point this 4-hour low is getting taken. It's just whether it plays out, whether this setup plays out or whether a setup from a little bit higher plays out. I don't know, right? But we know this 4-hour low is getting taken at some point or another. 4-hour low is getting taken. Best way to journal while you're back testing. Same way that you would journal while you're forward testing. Journal the same exact things. I mean, if you're back testing properly, you should probably be treating it like as if it's you know, live, right? So if you go like FX replay, you go back to a random day, don't look at the price or anything. And you know, you'll be okay. Took a buy, made 2K. Congrats. You know shit about trading. Yo, mods, can we ban the Jeets, bro? Like, can we get them the fuck out of here? Let's, every Jeet, ban. Immediate. Not even, don't even give them the chance to send a message. Get them out. Time to get a new mod. Bro, like, what are my mods doing? You guys are getting paid 180K a year. For what? Will, I can't mod you, bro. You're barely in here, bro. $180K in store credit. Toughest months for you to trade, you'd say, just by personal experience. I don't know, bro. It's like, I feel like this season, the whole seasonality thing has been kind of non-existent the past like 2 years at least. I don't know. I mean, I don't think there's like specifically just like several few months that are really bad to trade for me personally. It just depends on the market conditions, really. Like this market has for now, right? Like this month specifically has been ass. So far this month has been ass. Oh, wait. That didn't stop me out fully for some reason. I'm just going to close it right there. Oh yeah, I took the stop on that trade. Maybe this goes a little bit higher, not sure. I guess I'll watch this and kind of see. Even though that setup was phenomenal, bro. This setup was really, really nice. Between this 4 hour, the sweep here, 1 hour CE, like everything was there. Solid looking setup. But yeah, it didn't play out there. Anyways, yeah, it's it really just has more to do with the market conditions. This month, terrible. But as you guys see, this month, like, all the bullshit that's happening between, you know, all the different currencies collapsing, between metals, between the fucking war that's happening in the world right now. There's a lot going on, so, you know, kind of to be expected. You know, election years are pretty difficult. But yeah, other than that, like, bro, last month, so February, January were great. February and January were amazing. Like, really, really good months. And you guys were all, majority of you guys were here trading with me through January and February, and those were amazing months. Like, I did very well. So, me, you know, sizing down and taking some smaller losses this month, not a huge deal, bro. I'm totally okay with that. You know, kind of just how it goes. Midterms are bearish, aren't they? Again, I think it has more to do with market conditions, which could be affected by, like, whether that's geopolitical or just things that are happening, you know, within the market, like NFP, CPI, whatever. I honestly, I don't like see the whole seasonality thing much. I really don't. Because last year, midterms were actually pretty fire. Or last year, like around... Bro, what was it? Was it last year, April? Was it April where we had that bottom? Yeah, bro. This was fire to trade. This was so fucking nice to trade right here. This was amazing. This whole push up. Such a nice time to trade. Yep. This was because of the tariffs thing. Funny story, bro. I caught the short 3,000 points in April. Down to about, yeah, down to here, like around this area here. It was 3,000 points total. So it's from up here. So like 20 plus K all the way down to like 17K, 3,000 points. I caught this. It was my biggest trade ever. One mini over $70,000 on that one trade. That was like one of the most insane trades ever. I made a whole video on it, bro. There's a whole video on it. I made like a bunch of reels, a bunch of TikToks. I made a video on it and everything. That's what I'm trying to accomplish this year. Again, I'm telling you guys, it's going to happen again this year. I'll do like, but this time I'm not going to do one mini. I'll probably do 2 minis. And the goal is to make over 6 figures on one single trade with just 2 minis from my yearly low levels that I've given you guys like 5 times now, which I'll never give again. Actually, I will, but I don't feel like doing it right now. Trade breakdown for it, bro. It was one of my levels that I had inside of, I believe it was a 4-hour pity array, and I got into it on my live account accidentally. I thought it was a prop account. I got into it on my live account accidentally, and the only reason I knew that it was my live account because it was past 4 p.m. and it let me enter the trade. I entered the trade. It was 1 mini, and immediately, this was, I believe, a Wednesday, right after the close on a Wednesday, and Trump came on and he announced the tariffs. Still remember it. And he announces the tariffs. I'm not like looking at the market or anything. I wasn't actively watching it. I had my limit set. I had my stop set. Bro, I look at the market. It's down like 500 points immediately as soon as the market closes, 4 p.m. And I looked and I was like, oh shit, I'm on my live account. I should probably just continue holding this. I just trailed my stop loss lower and lower every single day. And if you guys were trading at this time, you guys would know that the market would open up every single day and it would just gap down 1,000 points. And it would open up like down 1,000 points and then it would continue trading down 1,000 points. Like, it was stupid. And so I didn't even have a chance to like get stopped out, bro. I didn't have a chance to ever stop out and profit. I didn't have a chance to like really even TP because I would have certain levels and it would just go through them every single day, just fly through them. So I just kept holding it until the one day we started to get a little bit of a pullback on a 1 hour and I closed it. And that was in April. That ended up being like close to the bottom. Still have the photos of it. Let me see if I can pull up a photo of it. Give me a second, guys. Let me show you. I'll show you guys a photo. April. When did I close this trade out? Right here. This is the day that I closed this out. Okay, this is the day I closed this trade out. Let me send this to... Where the fuck can I send this to, like, send it to you guys? Okay, so that's the day that I closed it out. And then I'm going to show you guys the execution real quick, too. I'll show you guys exactly where I executed this bitch, bro. It was dead. It was like the dead top. The dead top. Okay. All right, let me pull this up. That's the day I closed it. This is the day that I opened it, right after market close. You could literally see it, bro. Okay, let me pull it up. Let me show you guys. This is the execution of the actual entry. So this was the actual entry right here. You guys can see. Look at the price, 19,994. That's the execution. That was the top right there. That was my entry. That was the entry right there. This is just after market close. It's down 1,000 points almost, 800 points the same day right after market closes. And then right here is the final day that I closed this trade out. April 6th, I believe that is. April 6th, right there, April 6th. 19,994, same exact entry. And it was up $65,000 on one mini. So that was the biggest trade in my career, which I was actually beyond pissed that I did not size in more on that trade, but yeah, man. This thing, though, this thing is doing absolutely fuck all. This thing's doing jack shit. Neff got a call from Big Yahoo to take the short. NQ's rejecting midnight opening yesterday. I know, but we're not seeing nothing, bro. There's nothing here. Second most profitable trade. That was recent. My second most profitable trade was actually recent. I posted about it as well. That was another trade I posted about. That was another swing trade that I had. When was this? Let me show you guys that one too. I gotta find it though. But it was recent. I have so many goddamn trades in here, bro. You guys gotta give me some grace. Let me fucking see if I can find it. So was the small size trade that worked out perfect? Yeah. I know. The swing, yes, the swing, Crystal. I'm trying to see when that was. When was that? I posted about it, but when was that? I don't remember. When did I do that, bro? Oh, I just found the trade that Justin Werling LARPed. January? Oh, okay. Let me go to January. Damn, I was in September, bro. I would have been looking for fucking ages. January. January 20th. Oh, is this it? Oh yeah, this is. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, I think that was the entry that I gave. That was the entry I gave you guys. Okay, so total, I think this trade was around 30 grand. I think like total around $30,000, somewhere around 30 grand. I gave this trade to you guys here on live too. I gave you guys the entry on this on my live stream. Where is this? Boom. And then I'll go to the, when did I fully exit this? Oh yeah, that's where I fully exited this. Yeah, so total this was around 30 grand. This was another really fucking nice trade. Also live account trade here. So you can see this was the entry right here. This was the entry. So this was January at some point. I still remember this. This was the weekly range that we traded here. I gave this to you guys on the live stream. I told you when I was entering. So that was that. And then this was the full exit. You guys could see the full exit right here. So I was in two minis on this. I partialed one mini, and then I let the other one run to the full TP. Total, it was 1,000 points. So 25,128 to 26,128. 1,000 points total. Beautiful, beautiful trade there as well. Amazing fucking trade. Holloway versus Oliveira. Probably Charles, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Probably Charles. Dude, this thing is actually insanely slow. It's almost 11. It's insanely slow right now. I'm probably gonna call it earlier though. Probably gonna call it a day here earlier just because of the non-farm tomorrow morning. If you guys want to do non-farm, guys, if you guys want to do the non-farm one-day passes, Apex allows one-day pass. Lucid allows one-day pass for some of, I think some of the accounts. Who else allows one-day pass? Alpha Zero allows one-day pass. I think that's it. I think. Let's give away some accounts, guys. Let's give away some accounts. What should I give away first? Apex? All right, we're going to do account giveaways, guys. We are going to do account giveaways. I'm going to give away... No, fuck it. I'm going to give away the Apex. All right, fine. Chill. All right, I'm sending Apexes first, okay? All right. I'm sending Apexes first. Wait, fuck. I can't. Bro, I can't, bro. I'm not going to be able to give away the Apexes here. I'm going to have to, like, pick somebody. I'm going to have to pick a winner. Okay, all right. Let me do the pick a winner thing. I'm going to ask Nightbot to select a winner. Hold on, guys. We're going to get this. We're going to get it figured out. So I'm going to have you guys, like, select. Basically, it's going to be through different numbers. No, stop spamming. Chill out. I'm not picking a winner like that. That's not how we're doing it. You don't got to spam because that's not how we're picking winners. All right, giveaway, random number. Everybody's going to be able to participate. We're going to do a number between 1 and 100. And when I tell you guys to start, that's when you start, because that's when it counts. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Nobody's won yet. Holy shit, how has nobody gotten it? I don't even know the number. The Nightbot selected a number. I don't even know how nobody's gotten a number yet. How have you guys not guessed it yet? It's between a 1 and 100, bro. Somebody said 65 and they're close. Oh, somebody won. Matt R193. Matt R 9153. Matt R 9153 won. Matt R 9153 won. Where's Matt R 9153, bro? Yo, you guys can stop guessing. The guy won. The guy won. Chill out. I need Matt R 9153. Where's Matt R 9153? Matt R. All right, Matt R. Matt R 9153. Lock in. And are you in the free Discord? Are you in the free Discord or the paid Discord? Are you in the Discord at all? Are you in the Discord at all? Yes. Okay. Which side? Free or paid? Just make a ticket real quick. Make a ticket real quick. Matt R. Matt R, make a ticket. Matt R, make a ticket in the Discord. This guy, bro. This guy's trying to scam me, bro. Yo, Matt R. Matt R, what the hell are you doing, Matt R? All right, Matt R, can you do something? Just type in general chat. Type in general chat. Just type in general chat. Just do that. Okay? There you are, Matt. There you are. Okay, Matt, I'm going to send you a code for Apex. I need you to claim it. And let me know once you've claimed it. Okay, there you go, Matt. Claim your code. Claim your code. And let me know when you claimed it. Send a screenshot. Send a screenshot when you claim it. Hurry up, Matt. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I'm not moving on until you claim it. So we're all waiting on you. Everybody's waiting on Matt R. Matt, I DM'd it to you, Matt. Matt, click my name and in the message just put a dot and message me. I DM'd it to you. Did you get it, Matt? Matt, bro. Yo, Matt, you're taking forever, Matt. All right, I'm moving on, Matt. We're starting the new giveaway, Matt. We're moving on without you right now. Okay. I got it. Okay, send a screenshot. 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 One to 100 is crazy. 1 to 100 is not crazy. If I do 1 to 10, somebody's gonna get it right away. 1 to 100, at least people get a chance. Okay. All right, new number. It's starting. The giveaway is starting in a second. Let me tell you guys when it's starting. 3, 2, 1, it's starting. It has started. Giveaway has started. Number between 1 and 100. Number between 1 and 100. Oh, somebody got it. Cotton Ball 333. Cotton Ball 333. We have Cotton Ball 333 is the winner, guys. Cotton Ball 333 is the winner. Bro, come on, fuck off. Stop. Giveaway, stop. Stop, giveaway, stop, giveaway, stop, stop, stop. All right, Cotton Ball 333, you're the winner. Congrats, Cotton Ball 333. Speak up, Cotton Ball 333. Join the free Discord and type in the general chat. And I need proof that you're Cotton Ball 333. Because this goddamn Jeet keeps pretending to be everybody who's the winner. Where's the Discord? Do the command !Discord. !Discord. It's the free one. Right there. Nightbot just sent it in the chat. It's the free one. Join that. Type in general chat. Yo, ain't no way somebody actually changed their whole last name to Cotton Ball 3. Yo, Cotton Ball 333, I'm gonna need you to take a picture of your YouTube profile. I need a YouTube profile screenshot and then send that to confirm. That says WAP. I know it's WAP, but it's free. 6,000 watching, bro. I got botted. Oh my god, bro. Why is somebody botting me, bro? Yo, whoever's botting me, you're lame, bro. You're lame as shit, bro. All right, Cotton Ball, bro. Where is you? Cotton Ball 333. Where are you at? Cotton Ball 333. The link is literally above your message. The Nightbot just sent it. Bro, it's not real. The views are not real. It's botted. Somebody's botting the views. Yo, Cotton Ball. Why is everybody that's winning really fucking slow, bro? Can somebody with some sense of purpose like win the accounts? Cotton Ball, what are you doing, bro? I'm tired. Okay, bro. So do you want to give up your account to the next guy, or do you want to like maybe move with a sense of purpose and fucking claim your account? Where's the Discord? Bro, Cotton Ball, bro. Oh my god, Cotton Ball. The link got posted 50 times since you won, bro. Bro, yo, Cotton Ball, I'm about to retract your win, bro. There, it just got posted. The Nightbot just posted it. It has the name is literally blue and it has a blue shield on it. You can't miss it. You cannot miss it. I hit the link, but it's not letting me join. Okay, Cotton Ball, do this. I'm gonna put the link up on my chart. Cobra. So discord.gg/Cobra Trading LLC. Put this in. Okay, join this. Put that in. Hurry your ass up, Cotton Ball. God, bro. Cotton Ball, you really, like, holding this whole thing up right now. You're in? Okay. Now type in the general chat, Cotton Ball. I need you to send a picture of your YouTube account so I can confirm that it's you. You're gonna have to stop giveaways when you're... Yeah, I know. Cotton Ball, send a picture in the general chat of your YouTube account. Cotton Ball, hello. What the fuck are you doing, Cotton Ball? I need to see a photo of your YouTube channel. Bro, yo, EJR. Yo, bro. Yo, Cotton Ball, bro. Okay, I'm doing a time limit, bro. I'm doing a time limit. It's currently 11:13. We're picking a new winner. Cotton Ball. It's asking me to verify phone, but is denying me. Cotton Ball, bro. I can't even give you the account then, bro. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to pick a new winner. I'm sorry, Cotton Ball, but I can't give this. I'm not allowed to give the codes out like publicly anymore. It has to be like it has to be privately. Otherwise, they're not gonna give me any more codes. Okay, we're re-giving away that same account. I apologize, Cotton Ball. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to figure that out, and then maybe you can enter again. Okay, here we go, guys. New number being dropped. 1 to 100. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, somebody won. Somebody won. Somebody won. Somebody won. Maxuto T1K. Maxuto T1K won, guys. Maxuto T1K. Where's Maxuto T1K at? Maxuto, please tell me you're not slow. Join the fucking Discord and type in the general chat. Maxuto. Maxuto. Bro, this guy is not real. Oh my god, bro. This guy's not real, bro. Stop. I need proof. I need proof, Maxuto. I need proof. So you have to send a photo of your YouTube channel. Maxuto. Is that actually you? Are you in premium? This is you for real? Max. Okay, Max. All right, Max. I'm DMing you the code, bro. I'm DMing you the code, all right? Oh, shit. Yo, who's this scammer? Oh, hell fucking no. Who won the first account? Who was it? Oh, fuck no, bro. This is a premium member. Yo, guys, who won the first account? The guy's trying to scam me. Who was it? Who won the first account? Does anybody remember what the name of the guy was that won the first account? Not Cotton Ball, the one before him. Matt. Yo, Matt, you're trying to scam. You changed your name to Max Uto, bro. Oh my god, Matt is a scammer. Yo, Matt, you're a piece of shit, bro. You're a piece of shit. Matt R, you're a piece of shit. Where's the real Maxito, bro? This is getting really fucking annoying, and I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to fucking do this because you guys are, like, actually really annoying. You guys are not giving anybody a fair chance to win by just being retards. Am I still botted? Okay, it's going down at least. All right, bro. I mean, like, there's a bunch of people that are kind of just ruining for everybody. These guys are literally ruining it for everybody. Max. Yo, Max, you have to get the Discord, bro. I don't know how I'm not able to send it to you if you don't have the Discord. Join the fucking Discord. I have the link up right here, Gango. Right here. This is the link. Yeah, I'm about to just do the codes in premium Discord so there's no fucking retards in these giveaways because this is just like fucking insane. Max, I'm still waiting on you. I need to verify my phone, bro. Bro. The problem is, how am I going to give it away in the free Discord? Like, if I do it in the free Discord, how am I supposed to give it away? It's still going to be multiple people that get to claim it. The whole point is only one person is allowed to put this in and claim it. Because if more than one person claims it, they're not going to give away any codes to us anymore. So kind of got to do it properly here. You know what I mean? Can't you do it with a bot? Can I? I don't know. Wheel of names? Yeah, how the hell am I supposed to add everybody's names to this, genius? You know how many fucking people are gonna be in this fucking thing? How am I supposed to do that? How am I gonna do the wheel thing, bro? The wheel is not gonna work. 8K people. It's botted, bro. It's not real. Make the person who wins type the Discord name in the YouTube chat and then DM them. Bro, half these kids don't even have fucking Discord, bro. I don't even understand. Yo, I'm gonna have to wait, bro. I can't. This thing is... somebody's botting the shit out of this fucking live right now. Send the link so everybody can join the spin the wheel. Is that how you do it? Is that how you do it? Is that a continue? Okay. I don't know how this works. I don't think this works like that. The spin the wheel thing. Yo, Max, if that's actually you, I need you to send a screenshot of your YouTube account. I need a screenshot of your YouTube account, bruv. Okay, Max. All right, I'm DMing you. Max, did you get my DM? Answer back. Answer my DM right now. Oh, Maxi boy, answer my DM. Put a time limit on these moving forward and then advise them in advance to have your... Yeah, I know. I do need to do that. They won't stop sending you codes. Yeah, bro, I'm sure, like, you're gonna know more than what they told me, right? Another streamer had a bot that gave everyone one ticket and they can't spam. I don't know how it works, though. Yeah, I don't know how that shit works either, bro. Yo, Max, I DM'd you on Discord, bro. I DM'd you on Discord. Go to your messages in Discord. How are these people? How are you guys real, bro? Yo, I'm not. Yo, I want to give away this next account, but like this is becoming fucking impossible to give away accounts. Hold on, there's got to be a more effective way to do this. Oh, there we go. Okay, he gave it to me. All right, Maxito gave me the... Okay, Max, this is a Apex account, okay? Apex any size account. There you go. Apex any size. Claim it right now and then send me a screenshot. Claim it. Send me a screenshot. Thank you very much. Okay. Do you guys know if there's a better way to do this? Like, must type key, then gets confirmation of Nightbot. You spin the wheel. Yeah, but what wheel thing? This wheel thing, I don't know if it'll... Here, look. I'll send you guys this wheel thing. Somebody just sent this. This link will work for... Okay. If I send this wheel thing, okay, look at that. Are you guys able to join that? I just sent the link for it. Because if this works, I mean, we could maybe... Nah, the problem is still... Never mind. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to just do it in, I'm gonna just have to do it in, like, in the Discord stream or something. I'll give away some Tradeifys, though. Tradeifys you can only claim, one person can claim them, so... Let's do some Tradeifys, at least. Right? Alright. Tradeify coming up. Coming in hot. I'm just sending the code. Only one person can claim it. For Tradeify. It's a 50k select. Tradeify 50k select account, okay? Only one person is going to be able to claim this. Typing it in the chat right now. Tradeify 50k select. Right there. I don't know why you guys are typing numbers. Are you guys stupid? I put in the code. Some of you guys are actually fucking retarded. There's no way you're real human beings. Gone? Nice. Okay, so somebody got it. Who got it? Invalid code? 2, 3, 4. Did I already give that one? Wait, maybe I gave that one away. All right, bro, this is the last one I'm giving away. I swear to God, if I see people begging me after this, it's over. Last one I'm giving away, right here. Tradeify 50k select, same thing. This one should work. Okay, right here. That's a fresh one. I know that's a fresh one. Somebody for sure took that. Oh, nice. W. Few people got it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, everybody in the YouTube chat, you guys are bozos, bro. 2 people just got it in the Discord. You guys are slow as hell, man. Like, get a grip, bro. How did these guys get it? You guys talking about some invalid code, bro. Get out of here. All right. That's all I got. I'm botted right now, so I don't even want to be... I don't want to stay live because this is... the views are botted, bro, so it's kind of annoying. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. sharp, bro. Everybody be there. Or maybe 8 a.m. for the one-day pass. So, any levels to look at? No, not really. I don't really have anything up here. I really... Like, I'm not too sure. I'm not gonna lie. If you're in premium, I'll give you levels. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. See you guys potentially tomorrow morning during the one-day pass or after that. Just make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys subscribe, then you will know exactly when I'm going live. Have a beautiful night, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.